Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to add dimension to your project. Right, there are different levels, and the levels at which you insert your dimension is going to depend on what you have within your walls and how you want it to appear. Very simply put, we're going to start with the basic. So to insert dimension, you go to annotate and then you click on either align, linear, dimension, depending on what you have, and then you select the, for example, you can select the lines to the grid lines. Okay, sorry. You can select the lines, the grid lines, all right, one by one, all right, or you can have them selected like this, multiple, all right, and then this is one way of doing it, all right. Another way of doing is you can observe here you've got another short menu, all right, where currently the wall center lines are highlighted, all right. Here we can pick the walls, all right, so we can pick individual references or the walls, and then next to it we've got options, all right. So let's test one by one. So in the current wall we do not have any openings, so we're going to say, well, intersecting grids, we've got only grids that are intersecting our walls, so we select intersecting grids and then we press OK. Now we just need to click on the wall and you're going to see that wherever the wall intersects or where the grid lines intersect the wall, we have the dimensions. All right, so that's very quick. So if I want to do it here also, all right, I've got it. If here, unfortunately, the wall is broken into a number of horizontal lines, so I'll have to pick one by one. All right, but you've got the idea. Now, if I go to this option, I'm going to see that I've got intersecting walls, I've got openings, all right. So let me insert a few openings just to see how it works out when we're going to do the dimensioning. So I go to Architecture tab, I'm going to insert doors, all right, at random. I'm just putting 2 doors, all right, and then I go to annotate, aligned, and here in the options I'm going to say openings, all right. So I'm just going to get rid of the intersecting. I'm going to say openings width, so it's going to give me the dimensions of the opening too. So I click on OK, I select the wall, and you can see that I've got the distance from the grids to the start of the door, the dimension of the door, and then the dimension of the wall from the door to the next door. So if I'm happy with this, I put it here, all right. So this is with regard to the door, the openings. Now again, I've got another variation to it. Now as you can see, the dimensions are recognizing the full width or full length of the opening. Now if I change the option to center, then observe the difference, and I go to annotate, align, so then it's going to be from center of the openings, all right. Okay, all right, so here is an overview of how we insert dimensions within a project. All right, now if you want to let's say get the walls, So you select the walls, all right, sorry, then you have to change it. Now if I want to get the walls, as soon as I pick the wall, as you can see, it's here, it is set for pick wall, so I cannot get the thickness of the wall. So here I have to change it to individual references, and then I will be allowed to pick the walls. Now again, I'll have to change it to probably wall faces, right? So then I have the dimension. Then I can go like this, all right? So I pick one by one. So the settings here should be tested as shown in this video. It depends on what you do, all right? What you want, what level of dimension you are looking forward to have on your project. So this is how we proceed with it. All right. Okay, so from here to here, okay, from here to here, here it is. All right. Now, many times you can run across these issues where you've got overlapping text. So that shouldn't be a problem. You just click on the one which you want to move, and then you're going to see a blue dot. You just take the dot and you drag it out. Now you're going to see a leader. If you don't want that leader, you're going to see in the properties browser dialog box, sorry, the leader is checked. You just uncheck it and you're going to see that it disappears. Now if you want to move that a little outside, you just click and then move it outside, all right? And again, you can get rid of the leader like this. All right, so that's all regarding inserting dimensions to your project. Thank you.